This JCB truck is made from a dozen syringes and saline tubes. Such trucks are used for moving earth. Join two syringes with tube filled with water. By pushing one syringe, the other gets pushed too. Now make a hydraulic jack. Fit two syringes in a CD box. Lift and lower a truck by the hydraulic jack. This JCB performs many actions. The first plunger makes the jib move up and down. This is the close-up view. The second plunger makes the bucket to swivel. This is the close-up view of the bucket swiveling. The third plunger makes the whole crane move left or right. Here is the close-up view. The JCB can move on wheels. The fourth plunger lifts the front wheels by two jacks. The fifth plunger moves the boom up and down. The JCB performs multiple functions. You can now see the JCB pick a bundle of grass, lift it, turn it, and keep it aside.